Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. Today's episode consists of cute dogs, cool views, cooking beans, and crashing a drone. It's 7:20. Got a sleepy voice though. The sky is looking pretty cool. Sun's up over the mountains. Ooh, I'm still a bit cold. Maybe the sun isn't quite up. It's still coming up. I don't know. I'm just eating breakfast. Ooh, it's freaking cold out here. I think my plan for the day is to just hang out at camp. I don't think I'm gonna do much of anything today. The last couple days we've drove at least 3 hours. I don't really want to drive today, so I think he'll be fine with that. We're just gonna hang out. We'll walk around here. We'll cook pancakes or something. But yeah. Oh, and after he eats breakfast, I'm going back to bed for an hour, as is he. As has become the usual, the dish is frozen. Good morning. Got your ice puck. I'll get you some water. Did you want that? Yes. Yum. Look at the mountains. How nice. Hello. It's 7:25. I bet Hudson lets us sleep till like 8:10. And then he'll make us get up. So Hudson really wants to get up. If I didn't have him, I would literally just lay in here. It's freaking freezing outside. But he wants up so bad. So we're gonna freaking get up. What time is it? I think it's like 9. So he made it quite long. 8:40, 9 o'clock. All right, we'll freaking get up. I don't want to. I'm so cold. Oh. We're up. The water was actually frozen again. I had to, I don't know, you can see the ice in there. I had to crack the top so he could get something to drink. Now I'm gonna get into my rooftop carrier and grab out a hoodie, which is gonna be freaking freezing, but I have worn through all the hoodies I had down here and they're in the dirty clothes, so I'm gonna get a new hoodie. I'm cold. Got this hoodie out of the top of my car and I'm gonna throw it on. I'm taking him on a little walk. I am bundled from head to toe. I even got gloves on. Hi. I guess I'm not too mad Hudson wanted to get up. It is pretty beautiful out here. It doesn't change the fact that it's freezing though. Like, it's not even 30 out right now. It's freaking cold. It's gonna warm up to like 50, but the mornings and nights are freaking cold here. I don't think we're gonna go anywhere today though. We're just gonna hang out around here. Like I said, we've been moving a bit too much the past couple days, and it's the weekend. We might not even move tomorrow. Actually, you know what? Okay, I lied. We're probably gonna run to the store today, but then we'll come back to this campsite. We're not gonna do anything major today though. Hudson and I have been hiking about maybe 20 minutes or so, and this is our view here. We walked through a section that had no service, but there is service again here. I'm thinking maybe we might move up here. What'd you think? Maybe? I just looked up the closest grocery store to here. At least like a 40-minute drive, if not an hour. Because like the closest one is like some, I don't know, some off-brand, not off-brand, just like, it seems like a gas station. Like, yeah, an actual grocery store is like an hour away. So I'm debating on if I just want to like eat beans. I think I have a couple cans of beans. And I could just, like without the beef and bacon part of it, which is really a good part of it. But if I just made beans and used like brown sugar and vinegar, if it would still be good if it was just beans. I kind of think it would. I might try that. I don't know. I'm just thinking about if I really want to drive an hour there and an hour back here, and I don't. I'm not super into the idea, but maybe I will, because tomorrow is the Super Bowl. I'm pretty sure. Today's like February 6th or 7th. Tomorrow's Sunday. I think it's the 1st of February, or the first Sunday in February that the Super Bowl is. So, yeah, it's a debate. We'll see. We'll see if I go get groceries or just cook with what I have. We made it back across the cattle guard. So I think we're about halfway back to camp. We got about 20 minutes or so left of walking this direction. Come here. Come here. Hudson, come here. Yes. He thinks I'm playing. You think I'm playing? I just want to see your face. I just want to see your cute face. Look at me. Hey. Can I see your cute face? Hudson. Hudson, can you look at me? Hey. There. There's your cute face. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now that we're back at camp, I'm having some blueberries and oatmeal. And he had some water. I'll give him a snack, though. I'm going to make beans. I've got maple baked beans and then 2 cans of butter beans. My vinegar is like a little frozen, but we're going to go with it. I got some brown sugar, mustard, and salt. It's gonna be real simple. We're just gonna pour the beans into the pot and throw some of these other ingredients in there and cook it up. Yeah. I've got my bowl of beans. I'm gonna try it. I don't think it's gonna be the most amazing, but it should be pretty good. It's not bad. I do wish I had meat though. Like, beef and bacon would make it. It's just meh. Hi. We're just hanging out here, huh? I'm sitting in the sun, you're chewing a stick. We're just relaxing this Saturday, bud. Today has been a pretty chillaxing, kind of lazy day here. I had oatmeal, we made beans, we've been walking a couple times, we played with toys. I started to try and teach him a new trick, spin. He doesn't really got it, but we worked on that. He's been chasing shadows, chewing sticks. It's just been a nice relaxing camp day. Also, the Super Bowl's not tomorrow. It's next week, the 13th. It's about 4:30 right now. We're gonna hang out. I'll probably take him on a little evening walk. And then tomorrow, we need to go shopping and get some groceries. I've just been listening to audiobooks today and just chilling. It's been kind of nice. Not moving, not doing too much. Probably other than shopping tomorrow, this is pretty much what we're going to do. And we'll cook. This is very not good. I just broke my drone. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show you on here. It'll still fly, but the camera, or the control of the camera, I like snapped the arm in here. This like arm in here is snapped on this side. You see that side? This side over here is correct and normal. No, this is not good. I don't even think I can fix it. So the drone still flies, and it still records, but the gimbal, like what keeps the video looking smooth, I snapped one of the freaking legs in there, or arms to it. And so we're getting very shaky, poor quality video now. I don't know if I can fix it. I'm gonna try, but damn, that really sucks. Oh, I'm so stupid. I should have been paying attention and not flown it into this freaking tree branch over here. It happens. I'm not happy, but what are you gonna do? Oh, I'm so annoyed and like, just kind of, feeling crappy. Smile through the dumb mistakes. Like, I don't know if I can send this drone in to get fixed or what. That's what I'm gonna look into, but if not, like, this little thing right here is like $500. So it's not cheap. Just really sucks. You gotta pay attention to what you're doing, and I did not pay enough attention. I'm frustrated with myself for being so stupid. Hudson is frustrated for me for even flying the drone. I'm gonna try and figure this crap out. That's all I have to say. Oh my god, this sucks. It sucks. It sucks. All right, well, hope you're having a better day than I am. I've crashed the drone before. This is not the first time, and it's always been fine, so it's a real bummer to have broken one of the support legs on the gimbal. We're gonna figure it out though. It's either gonna get fixed or not. But I might have to send it in to get fixed. I'm hoping I can figure out how to fix it myself. We'll see. Super glue might just do it. I might just go for that route. Doesn't seem like the best idea, because if I mess it up more, then it might cost more later. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I'll figure it out though. And this day more positively, Hudson is so handsome and he's not broken, so that's good. He's ready for bed. The sun is going down. It is beautiful here. Yeah, life is still good. It's just a thing. We'll figure it out, right, buddy? We will. We're still fine. We're happy. I love him. Things can be replaced, right? You can't. Yeah, we just need some Hudson love. Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. I need some Hudson cuddles. Mwah. All right, guys. You know, stay positive. It will all work out. We'll figure it out. We're all climbed in and going to bed. It's like a little bit after 6. I think it's maybe 6:10, 6:15. He is so tired. I love him.